Look at the. I was about to say rooster. It's a damn horse. Yeah. All of this. You see that? I don't know. I guess because it's too hot, or I don't know. ¿Qué andan? Aquí andan los Filipinos. Qué alegremente. All right, guys. I just pulled up with a Lambo. Lollipop.
Agoy, hugaw na lollipop na ako ah. Okay.
Here, let me rinse it.
Give me.
Hoy.
Hoy! Hoy! Hoy!
Hey. Ay, ay.
Hala!
Déjalo. Don't make a scene. You're just gonna make him cry. Here, there's rinse. Here, tara,
Hugasan.
tara. Rinse ba? Oh,
Let me rinse his hands.
cabrones. This
This is his favorite.
his favorite. He's running because he's full on sugar, no?
Yoy, alin na yoy. Papalik.
Grab the kwarta. Oi, you see? Oi, you see? That's why he's happy. Here, here's your shoe. Here, babe, give it to him. That boy buck wild right now, guys, because he on that sugar and cabrones. Ah, wala. I call him the chinito cabrones. I gotta finish this one first, babe. Ay, wait.
Ow!
All right, what's everybody up to? Everybody still in or what? I'm back. I'm gonna show y'all around. I'm gonna flip the camera because this one has got too much light. There you go. Look at the tuba. This one is the torta tulong. Ay, cabrón. Ahorita voy a agarrar mi tuba, eh. I got some tuba. Yeah, so. Alright, let's go see what's up over here. Yeah, I was telling